Cling film Velcro sanding discs are a popular and versatile type of sanding disc that offers superior adhesion and durability for a variety of sanding applications. These discs are specially designed with a cling film backing that allows them to cling firmly to the Velcro pad of your power tool, ensuring a tight and secure fit that won't slip or slide during use. One of the key benefits of these sanding discs is their long-lasting durability. Made from high-quality materials, they can withstand even the toughest sanding jobs without wearing out or losing their grip. They are also resistant to clogging, which helps to extend their lifespan even further. In addition to their durability, cling film Velcro sanding discs are also highly versatile. They come in a range of grits and sizes, making them suitable for a range of sanding tasks and surfaces. They can be used to sand wood, metal, plastic, and more, and they are ideal for both smooth sanding and rougher removal jobs. Another advantage of cling film Velcro sanding discs is their ease of use. Simply attach them to your power tool's Velcro pad, and they're ready to go. They require no glue or adhesive to attach, making them a convenient and mess-free option for any sanding project. Overall, cling film Velcro sanding discs are an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable, versatile, and easy-to-use sanding disc. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, these discs will help you achieve a smooth, efficient, and effective sanding experience every time.